Hi, my name is Fazoman and we will discuss what is the count function in the SQL and how can we write in the Google BigQuery. Basically, this is our table and so for example, if you want to count the rows, how many numbers of rows are present, then you can use the count function. For example, if I want to specify this column, I want to know that how many rows are present in this column, so I would use the count function, but they will skip the empty rows, so they will tell me how many rows are filled, so therefore the count function will be used. So for example, we are in the Google BigQuery, so you have to click on the SQL query. So for example, we select, so if I want to collect, if I want to know how many number of rows are present in the table, so just you have to put the count. So put the whole. So show me as a order total rows or total orders. Yeah, you what you want to name this. So you will give the name from. So what is our data set name? So you will click there and find your data set name. This is our data set name, and you when you click there you will find your table name. So this is our, so we have to write the table name and data set name. What was the data set name? Was the data set name was marketing series, and you have to put the full stop after the data set and write the table name. The table name was July marketing data. So now our query has been completed. This will tell me what is the total number of rows in our table. So you have to click on the run and you will find the result. So let me wait to show the result. So now, so how many rows are present? Total rows are 40. So 40 rows are present in our table. So if I want to know the specific columns row, for example, specific column row like that device. So like this is completely, I want to know the how many rows on traffic source because some are missing. So it will tell me. So I will write the traffic source. So count me the traffic source, total rows traffic source. Okay. So I would run the query and will tell me how many rows are present in this specific column. So yeah, you can see that total rows was 40, but in this column only 37 rows are present, 3 are missing. So through this method, by using the count function, you can identify how many rows are present in your table, how many rows are present in your specific column. So thank you so much.